PayPal gift card. How to use PayPal gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can use your PayPal gift card online. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, using your PayPal gift card online means you first of all have to add the gift card to your PayPal account. And in order to do that, first of all, you want to go to paypal.com and log into the account. Now here you can see many options, and right under it also you'll find card section. So when you tap on link a card section, you can see the option to link a debit or credit card number. Now your gift card also can be actually entered from here, but first of all you have to select a gift card type. Most of the gift card types are normally Visa debit card, so you can select a Visa card if it is the Visa card, because gift card also have a certain type. After you enter Visa over here, you can enter your gift card number, the expiration date and the security code. Tap the link card option and then your gift card will get added to PayPal, and from there you can use it for your balance or whatever else you prefer. This way you should be able to use your PayPal gift card online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.